So do you also use cognitive forms to receive any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send automated WhatsApp message on cognitive form submission using WhatsApp Cloud API. So I am an owner of a real estate agency and I have created an inquiry form using cognitive forms. So now here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new form submission, then automatically and instantly automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead through WhatsApp Cloud API. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my cognitive forms with my WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So I run a real estate agency and I use cognitive forms to collect inquiries or property interest forms. And now it's important to follow up with potential clients quickly. So by automating WhatsApp messages using the WhatsApp Cloud API, I can instantly send a confirmation or a thank you message whenever someone submits a form. For example, if a prospect shows interest in buying or renting a property through my form submission, then automatically and instantly they are going to receive a thank you message on their WhatsApp number with their name on it. That means a personalized WhatsApp message so that they can feel connected. So this helps me respond promptly, keep potential clients engaged and ensure they feel valued. Automating this process saves me time and increases the chances of turning inquiries into successful sales. So now here I've already built an amazing automation where I've connected my cognitive form with my WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software. So now firstly here in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I have already built by submitting a new form over here. So here you can see I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email, mobile number, type of property and the city. So now here after filling all the details, I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says, thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message which says, hi dummy user, thank you for your interest in our property. I'm here to help you find the perfect place. I received your inquiry and happy to provide you more details. Let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a viewing. Looking forward to assisting you with your next move. Feel free to reply here and I'll be in touch shortly. Thanks, best regards. So this is the message template that I've already created in WhatsApp Cloud API and this is the automated WhatsApp message that I've received through WhatsApp Cloud API. And here you can see the name of the lead has successfully been updated over here. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. Now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can create this amazing automation by simply connecting your cognitive form with your WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So now here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated WhatsApp message on cognitive form submissions using WhatsApp Cloud API. And now here after entering the name, here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Cognito Forms, as I am receiving new form submissions through Cognito Forms. So Cognito Forms is an easy to use online form builder that lets you create forms for surveys, registrations, payments and more. It's popular because it offers customizable templates and powerful features like calculations, conditional logic and payment collection, all without needing coding skills. So here in my Cognito Forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new entry, so that whenever we're going to receive new entry through our Cognito Forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Cognito Forms with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Cognito Forms account. So this is my Cognito Forms account, and here under all forms you can see all the forms that I've created using Cognito Forms till now. So now here in this case I'm going to use a form which is named as property inquiry form. So here I'm going to open it. And here under this particular form, you can see a post JSON data to a website option in the left side bar. So I'm going to open it, and here you can see submit entry endpoint. So here in this submit entry endpoint, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here you can see an existing webhook URL. So here I'm going to remove it and enter the new webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So here I've successfully entered the new webhook URL, and then I'm going to click on this save. And after that I'm going to publish the form, and here you can see we have received the shareable link of the form. So here I'm going to open it, and with this we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Cognito Forms, or you can say we have successfully connected our Cognito Forms with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test response in our form. So for that, let me take you back to my Cognito Forms, and now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytudes.com, a random phone number, type of property as rental property, and city as Pune. And then I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says thank you for filling out the form, your response has been recorded. So that means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the type of property, last name, full name, first name, mobile number. Scrolling little down, here you can see some other details as well, such as the email and the city. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new entry through Cognito Forms, then automatically and instantly I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead that I've received. So here to send this automated WhatsApp message, I need to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect in this action step over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API. So WhatsApp Cloud API is a tool that allows businesses to connect with their customers via WhatsApp through the cloud. It makes it easy for companies to send messages, notifications, and updates directly to their customers' WhatsApp accounts. So here in my WhatsApp Cloud API action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever we're going to receive new entry through Cognito Forms, then automatically and instantly a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead through WhatsApp Cloud API. And now here to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token, phone number, ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So now here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And now here to learn how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see a video of how to completely set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account step by step. So now here, after setting up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you are going to receive all these details. So here to build this connection, I have set up a temporary WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for developers. So let me take you there. So this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account setup, and here you can see, and here I'm going to generate the access token. And here you can see we have received the access token, phone number, ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So now here I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So now moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So here in this template name field, I need to select the template which I want to use to send an automated WhatsApp message to my lead received. So here to get this template name, let me take you back to my Cloud API setup. And here in the step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. So I'm going to click it over here. And here under message templates, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use till now. And here, if you want to learn that how you can create your own message template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel. So now here in this particular case, I'm going to use a template that I've already created with the name Real Estate 7. So here I'm going to show you the template. And here you can see the message which I have drafted which says, "Hi Juan, thank you for your interest in our property. I am here to help you find the perfect place. I have received your inquiry and I am happy to provide more details. Let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a viewing. Looking forward to assisting you with your next move. Feel free to reply here and I'll be in touch shortly. Thanks, best regards." So this is the template that I have used. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name, because here I've warned that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Cognito Forms, then automatically this previously existing name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is the message template that I want to use to send an automated WhatsApp message to all my leads. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to select my template name as Real Estate 7. Now here, after selecting the template name, automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. And then here it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So here in this recipient mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here, instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new entry through Cognito Forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, and then here it is asking me for the body field 1. So here in this body field 1, I need to enter the value of the variable that I have used in my template. So I have already shown you that I have used one variable in my template for the lead's name. So I'm going to map my lead's name. So I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's name. So I'm going to map it. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message on my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message with the name "Hi Test User" and the same message template which says, "Thank you for your interest in our property. I'm here to help you find the perfect place. I have received an inquiry and I'm happy to provide more details. Let me know if you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a viewing. Looking forward to assisting you with your next move. Feel free to reply here and I'll be in touch shortly. Thanks, best regards. So this is the message that our lead is going to receive on his or her WhatsApp number whenever a new form submission is made. Okay, so with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Cognito Forms and our action as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever you're going to receive new entries through Cognito Forms, then automatically the person who has made the form submission is going to receive an automated and instant WhatsApp message through WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send automated WhatsApp message on Cognito Form submission using WhatsApp Cloud API. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the Clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.